you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this beanie, which we can use in two ways. As a slashy one, like this, or we can fold here and we can use as regular beanie. It's one piece. We are working with one way. All the rows are knit, or if you prefer, purl. And then we are joining our row here, and then I'll add pom-pom. If you like, you can use it without this, or you can make with yarn pom-pom, not this feather one. And you can fold this and use it as a regular beanie. It's about 11 inches. So if you like smaller, for a younger or toddler, you can make it 10 or 9 or 8 inches without folding, or if you fold, you can make it as you want. And the wide is about 10 inches. You can make this narrower also, 8, 7, 6 for baby. It's very easy. Let's see how to make it. For the hat that we are going to make today, I'll use this yarn. It's 25% wool and 75% acrylic yarn, and the 100 grams are 307 yards. And I'll use the recommended needles. It says 3 or 4, and I'll use 4. Let's begin. Here I made 2 gathers, and I would like to show you that I made here a little bit mistake, I can say. I cast on very tight, so this is very tight and it's not the same size as the end. So at the second one I knitted loosely and it's much more better. And here it's about 4 inches, the 20 stitches. So I want 12 inches for my beanie, and I'll make 60 stitches. With this way I can find exact stitches. Let's begin. I'll begin with knot here. I'll take the other needle, and now knit regularly this one, twist and pull back. Now I'll take stitch between from here, yarn over, pull through, twist it, and to the left needle. Between them yarn over, pull through, twist and put it to the left, and I'll cast on 60 stitches with this way. Don't knit tight. I prefer here you made this loosely. And after 60 stitches we'll knit again. I have cast on 60 stitches. Now I'll knit all the stitches. We'll knit every row. This is gonna be our height of the beanie. I'm continuing knitting. I'm usually not knitting my first loop here, and then I'll continue knitting all the stitches. Until we reach the white we knit. I have a big piece here and I'll measure it, and it's about 19.5 inches. It's enough for me. It's for an adult size, so it's okay because it's stretchy, so it will fit good to anyone. If you want larger one, you can add some rows more. Here you see it's quite stretchy. And now we'll cast off our work. We'll knit the first one, then knit the second and pull over the second from the first. Knit and pull over the second. And please knit loosely, not tight, like this. And after we finish the row, we'll join our two sides. I finished my last row and I'll lay a long tail here to sew my hat to the top and then to join the top also. I began to sewing. I have my needle and I'll take this loop and then from the other side and sew. The next and here. This one and from the other side, and I'll do that all the way until I sew all. It's nearly seamless, and I'll meet you at the end. For the top, for our beanie, we'll sew from the top here. We'll leave one and sew one leave. So like this. And we'll keep going all around until we are at the beginning again. I have tightened my yarn here, and I have a little bit hole here. If you add pom-pom, it's not so big deal, so we will add the pom-pom and we will be okay. Otherwise, we'll go back to the back of our work and we'll sew it from different places, and we don't have so big hole. I have here my pom-pom. It has 2 tails, and I'll pull through the tails from 2 different places, and we can pull through it like this with my hook and use it from here like this, and then I'll make a knot here, tight knot, very tight, and our hat, our beanie is ready. You can fold it like this, or smaller and twice like this, so it doesn't matter if it's too long. It's, as I said, for adult. I think it's pretty good. Here is the place that I joined it. It's nearly seamless. That's our beanie. Thank you for watching. Good luck to anyone want to crochet, knit it.